So we were discussing about file handling. In previous class, we have discussed about some of the basic concept of file handlings, functions, some functions used in file handling and its mode, read mode, write mode, append mode. Today we will discuss some programs of file handling. Here, this is the program for count number of lines in a file. So here I have given a program which will count the number of lines in the file. So this is the complete C program. This is a complete C program. This program here, the program shown here is written in Turbo C compiler and executed in Turbo C compiler. It will this program runs successfully on Turbo C compiler. So here we have used two header files. You already know that the header files stdio.h standard input output header file and conio.h console input output header file. Here this is our main function and its return type is int. Here we have declared a file pointer having name fp and file is a keyword. So here we have declared a file pointer. Another ch is a character variable and line count is an integer variable, and here we have initialized line count with 0. So in this statement fp is equal to fopen c :/input.txt. R is the mode in which we have opened the files. Here we have opened the file in read mode. Fopen is a function to open the C file. So our here name of our file is input.txt, and this is the complete part. You have to store the file in bin folder. For Turbo C compiler, if your Turbo C is installed in C directory, C drive, then you have to keep the file input.txt in bin folder under Turbo C. So here I have given the complete path of input.txt file. So this file pointer, if our file opens successfully, then file pointer points to the first character in the file. If file is not open or not exist, then it will return null and display. So next statement, if fp is equal to null, means file is not open successfully or file does not exist. So it will display here error message, file does not exist, and return with -1 means abnormal execution. So next, if a file is open successfully, then we have checked. Here I use a while loop. This is the starting of while loop. Here this is the end of while loop. Condition of within while loop is given is ch is equal to getchar. Here while ch is equal to getchar is whenever until ch gets some input character from the file, while loop will be executed until EOF. It represents end of file, means this while loop will run until we reach the end of the file, and ch will receive one character at a time. Suppose this is our txt file, and contents of this txt file is, suppose some of the statement is written in txt file. Suppose x Y Z P R S T. So here, while ch is equal to f get c is a function which is used to get input from a file one character at a time. So, or initially file pointer points to first character means x, while ch is equal to x is not the end of file. Next is next point to y, after that it points to z, after that this will point to here. This is the new line. So in this case, if, while entering each and every character, reading each and every character, we are checking ch is equal to ch is equal to backslash n means new line character. When it whenever it finds new line character, it increases the value of lines count. Initially the value of line count is initialized with 0. Here, whenever the cursor reach here, means file pointer reach here, it increases line counts by 1, means line count becomes 1. Second time, whenever cursor reaches here, it counts, line counts becomes 2. While ch is equal to backslash n is a new line character. And next time, whenever cursor reaches here, it value of line counts become 3. So this is just a sample of text file. If our text file contains this data, then our C program value of line counts in C program becomes 3. Here we have used 3 lines, so it will return counts up to 3. After that, we have performed all the operations in files. So we close the file pointer, f close, our file pointer name is fp. After here, this is just a statement to print the value of line count. So it will print 3 if our input.txt file contains 3 lines. This is the getch. Getch is used in Turbo C compiler to pause the screen, and last statement is return 0. So this main function is not return anything, so we have written return 0. So this program, this is a complete C program which will run on Turbo C compiler without any change. If you have to put the text input.txt in bin folder of Turbo C compiler. So this program returns the total number of lines. Sorry, this program counts the total number of lines in a file. Next program, this is another program in C file handling. This program will count the number of words and number of characters in a text file. Here we have declared file pointer fp. File is a keyword, fp is a file pointer, ch is a character type variable. Here we have declared two integer type variable, char count for counting character and word count for counting words in the file. This is the syntax for opening file. We open the file in read mode. Here we have written R, so we have to open the file in read mode. This is the complete path of input.txt file. If our file opens successfully, it will points to first character, file pointer points to first character in input.txt file. If our file is not open successfully, it will return, means file pointer will contain null. So if file pointer is null, then in that case it will return error. So this printf message display an error, file does not exist, and return with -1 means there is a opening in file. This is the complete logic for counting number of words and number of characters. Suppose this is our input.txt file. Data stored in input.txt files are suppose A, B, C, P, sorry, PQ, R, T, Z, C, dot, here we have written a dot, big dot, this is dot, then Y. Okay, so this is a complete C program to count number of characters and number of words. Here A is a single character, B is a single character, C is a single character, and ABC is a complete word. P, Q, R, T is a one word. ZC is a one word. Here Y is alone one word. So here CH will store one character at a time. Initially, file pointer points to character A, and this while loop will run until the end of file. End of file means whenever the pointer points here, this points to the end of file. So here first character here, if in condition if ch is equal to blank space or ch is equal to \n, we will increase word count. So here first character, second character, third character. After third character, we get a space. Here we have to insert just one word for discussion. Here we are inserting OD. So whenever there is a space or new line character, word count will increase by 1. So here after ABC there is a space, the word count from 0 to 1. After that, after OD there is a new line character, so word count will, okay, discussion, we have to also count the characters. So first of all, ch is equal to blank space or ch equal to null line. Here there is no, after here there is no any blank space or new line character. So in that case, char count becomes 1. After A there is no space, so char count becomes 2. After there is no C, in this way character will be counted, and after, whenever we found a space, word will be counted. Here after C there is a space, so one word. After D there is new line character, so second word. Here after this one will, after PQRT new line, so counting value 3. In this way word will be counted. Say here 1 word, 2 word, 3 word, 4 word, and 5 words. So word count value will be 5, and character value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Dot is a character, 12, 13. So total 13 character. So here total number of word is 5 and total number of character is 13 in this text files. So this is a complete C program. Here we have performed all the operations in file. After performing all the operations, we reach the end of file. While we reach the end of file, it will exit from the loop. After exiting from the loop, we have performed all the operations in C file. So we have to close that file pointer. We have closed. This is just a statement to print the output of word count and char count. Word count here is total number of word is 5, and char count is total number of character is 13. So this is the getCG used for pause the screen in Turbo C compiler. Return 0, this function, the main function does not return anything, so we have written a statement return 0. So this is the two example. First one is for counting number of lines in text file. Second example, count the number of characters and number of words used in C file, text file. So it will count the total number of words or total number of characters in text files.